A new Philadelphia Union Ring of Honor will welcome Sébastien Le Toux as its first member at a ceremony during the Union's match against Vancouver Whitecaps FC on June 23. Le Toux will be signing a one-day ceremonial contract with the Union tomorrow to officially announce his retirement, as reported last week. "Philadelphia is where I had the most opportunities on and off the field," Le Toux said in a news release. "It is where I found career success with the Philadelphia Union, met my wife, and found my forever home with friends, family, and fans that have become family." The 34-year-old Frenchman retires as the all-time club leader in games played, 175 goals, 50 assists, 50 shots, 320 shots on goal, 144, and corner kicks, 379. He's also one of only 19 players in league history in the 50-goal, 50-assist club, and one of only 8 to achieve the feat with one team. "Sébastien Le Toux has played a vital role in our organization's history, and it's fitting that he's retiring as a member of the Philadelphia Union," head coach Jim Curtin said in a news release. "He was key in our club's success and created memorable moments. Whether scoring a hat-trick in our first official home match, to scoring the first playoff goal in Union history, or leading us to back-to-back Open Cup finals, Sébastien always brought his best for the club. He is the face of the Philadelphia Union, and we are happy to be a part of his final chapter in his career." A native of Mont-Saint-Denis, France, Le Toux first came to Philadelphia as part of the 2009 MLS expansion draft and was a part of the club's inaugural roster. He was a member of the Union's first-ever starting 11, on March 25, 2010 at Seattle, and he scored the club's first-ever goal one match later at Lincoln Financial Field vs. DC United, April 10, 2010. He would go on to register a hat-trick in that contest, one of 3 in Union history. After spending 2012 with Vancouver and the New York Red Bulls, Le Toux came back to Philadelphia for a second stint from 2013 to 2016 before finishing his playing career with the Colorado Rapids and DC United.